Welcome to the backyard farm. Getting her done.
We come out, have our coffee.
We come out,
Start grilling.
have our coffee, and we go, all right, what should we fix today? Let's get it done.
Step
Seth.
back and go.
It looks done. Look at that now. We are on site of the new deck. We finally got the stairs done, all the decking done, the balusters done, the handrail done. Then be able to easily come back over here and get some fresh food and some fresh drinks at the outdoor kitchen. Let's see what else we can get done today. Then we got the Kegerator here. This thing is really nice. We're actually gonna have a 3-tap alcohol here and then 3 taps of non-alcoholic beverages. We are upgrading our Kegerator to this really awesome triple tap Kegerator. We got these 3 keg taps. It is a different type of metal. We went with the solid chrome instead of the brushed. This new manifold right here is able to do 6 taps. So you have your main CO2 coming in here and then each individual beverage comes off of each line.
Life is good. Here we go.
Well, that's excellent.
So the next part is we get to have some fun and we get to tap some kegs. We got these 3 rockin' rollin'. Now let's see how they taste. Cheers. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for following us on the backyard farming journey and sometimes the backyard kitchen journey.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.